On the left-hand side, upload the videos that you want to have. So in this case, I have this talking head here, and I have a video of a puma. And what I want to do is I want to try to replace the head of the puma with this talking head that I have so that it looks like this person is in the body of the puma and it's actually talking. And so I got this inspiration from another content creator where they were making videos and they had their own video of themselves talking and they replaced the face of another person so that it looks like this person is actually talking instead of the puma. So I thought it'd be a cool video effect to try to emulate. So first I'm going to go ahead and try to remove this green background. So I'm going to go ahead and click background remover. Okay, so now I have just my talking head here. Obviously, if you have your own talking head, that'd be ideal. And ideally, you would have audio already incorporated into your talking head so that'd be easier to edit. So just for this example, let's just go ahead and say this is what I'm going to use here. And so I'm going to try to see and play the entire video, maybe make it shorter just for saving time on the video itself. I just play a section of the video. Okay, so the puma's head is pretty stationary. It doesn't move a lot, which helps with my editing. Obviously, if this head was in constant motion, it was moving left to right, up and down in all different places, then this edit would be much harder to edit to be able to track all the movements and try to fit it here. Um, so, but for this example, this is stationary, relatively stationary, the puma's head. So I think it can be a little bit easier to work with here. And so we want to blur out this puma's head. And currently right now in Canva, at the time of making this video, I have not found a way to easily blur out a section of a video. You can try background remover, but the background remover is just going to get rid of the background around the puma. So it doesn't actually let me blur out the puma's face here, which I want to replace with this talking head. And so the only alternative solution I have at the current moment, maybe in the future there'll be a better solution, is to try to upload a blur image so that it goes on top of the puma's head while my talking head is talking. So I can do that by opening another design. And first thing you're going to have to do is select a shape from elements. So you can go to elements and go to shapes. And you can select any shape that you want. So a circle works fine here. And if you want to blur the circle, I cannot come over to edit and blur the circle here. I mean, I can come over to effects and maybe have this different effects going on. Maybe I can select one of these if this is something that you want. You can blur maybe the shadows, but you cannot blur the entire circle. Actually, that looks pretty good here. But I want to make, you can still see the outline of the circle, and I want to see if I can try to blur the entire thing so that you don't see this circle shape effect. And so what I can do, and this is probably the only method that I know as of right now, is right now I have this shape. I can come over to share, download, and download this to my computer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Uploads, upload a file, and then re-upload that shape that I just created. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the background. So even though it's a white on white, you'll see that if I change this now, then you'll see that it got rid of the background, as opposed to when I first uploaded the shape, you see that there's this white background here. So I can come over here. Just adjust the size of this so that it fits the circle. Okay. So now I can click on the circle. I can come over to Edit on the top. And in the Tools section, if I click on See All, this is where Blur is now. So there used to be FX effects here, but there has been some recent changes to Canva, and now the blur feature is over here. So I can add blur, or I can do it to a whole image. I'm just going to adjust my brush size and make the intensity of the blur as strong as possible. So I'm just going to brush over the circle here. And then when I exit out of it, now you see this entire circle shape is blurred, which is what I'm looking for here. So let me see if I can copy this here. Okay, perfect. I can copy that by I did Control C on my laptop. Since I'm using a PC, if you're using a Mac, that's probably Command C. And what I can do is I can just drag the blur, make sure that it's in line with the video clip itself. Just drag the blur over the entire face of the puma. Maybe something like this. Okay. And then I'm just going to overlay my talking head in front. So I'm going to position this to the front. Maybe something like this. And now when I play, it looks like my talking head is now part of the puma. And I think this is just a really cool video effect that you can try. I've seen some, people do this on other YouTube channels, and it's not the best. I can definitely fine tune this a little bit more, but this is kind of what I'm after. So basically having a talking head replace the face of, in this case, the puma. So it looks like the talking head, the puma is actually talking with my avatar, in this case, talking. So this is a pretty cool video effect that I just came up with. Just thought maybe I can try to apply the same technique principles over to Canva, and this is the final result. Now, one other thing I can do is maybe if I want to make it a little bit more realistic, I can maybe try to blend my talking head with the cougar or the puma's head as much as possible. So right now I can maybe come over to the top, click on transparency, and maybe just adjust the transparency levels so that my head blends in with the puma's head. And you can certainly play around with the parameters to get it to exactly the way you want to get it to. And yeah, this is the final result. So definitely play around with these parameters until you get it to the way you want to get it to. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.